Welcome to Kids Fun TV 20. Hello kids, let's learn weather conditions. So let's learn together. This is sunny weather. This is cloudy. Cloudy. This is partially cloudy. Partially cloudy. The sun and clouds are together. This is snowy. Snowfall on the ground. This is rainy weather. The water drop comes on the ground. This is stormy weather. Stormy. Wind and rain together. This is windy weather. Wind is blowing in this condition. This is tornado weather. Tornado. This is a rainbow. Rainbow have 7 colors. This is a thunder and lightning weather. This is a cold weather conditions. This is hot weather conditions. Nice kids. Today you learn different weather conditions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe Kids Fun TV 20. Bye bye.